Number 7, part A. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? That means two of the sides are exactly the same length. And it then tells us the AB side, here's the AB side, is congruent to the AC line segment. So those are equal to one another. And now it wants us to find AB, AC, and BC's length. Okay, no problem. So this that represents AB is the same as that. So we can just set them equal to one another and solve. So I'm going to take 4n minus 2, set it equal to 2n plus 6, and solve. So we quickly solve, subtract 2n, take away 2 is 6, add your 2, 2n is 8. We can now divide by 2 and see n is 4. So it wants the measurements of all the sides now. So AB, well, AB is 4 times n. We just found n to be 4. So 4 times 4 minus 2, 16 minus 2 is 14. AC right here, well, we did say those were equal, and we'll prove it. 2 times 4 plus 6, 8 plus 6, 14. So it's also 14. And finally, BC, 5 times whatever n is, which we found to be 4, minus 1. He's a longer side at 19. Let's now do part B. It says triangle MNO is an equilateral. Equilateral means all the sides are exactly the same. So I can set 2n minus 12 equal to this, or I could set it equal to this, or I could set n minus 2 equal to this. Well, what would be the best? I'm going to set this equal to that. I don't want to deal with that fraction. So I'm going to say, hey, 2n minus 12's length is the same as n minus 2's. Those expressions represent the same number. Well, let's figure out what that number is. Minus an n, minus an n. N minus 12 is equal to negative 2. Those go away and you're left with a negative 2. So make sure it's negative 2. Now I add 12, I get n is 10. We now have n's value. We can go back here and plug it in to get the values. 2 times 10 minus 12. 20 minus 12, what's 20 minus 12? 20 minus 12 is 8. So mn is 8. What about mo? Mo right here. Well, that's easy enough. 10 minus 2, 8. Do we really need to do all this? Because since it's equilateral, I guarantee they're all 8. But let's double check ourselves. Plug a 10 in there. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Yes! Everybody is an 8 for part B.